see that big snake I just saw earlier? He was right over there. Big yellow snake. It was pretty cool. He took off. Must have had a hole somewhere real close because I can't find it. But anyway, here's the xmaxx. And right over here, take a little walk. I'm going to get a good run at it. I hope it makes it. I tied a rope to it because I do not have paddle tires. And I don't have new tires, but I promise you guys if I got enough subscribers, I would do this. So here we go. There's the duck pond. There's the xmaxx over there. And hopefully I got a good angle of seeing xmaxx go across this guy because oh, here we go. A good angle for you guys. Alright guys, let's see if we can do this.